Brendan, let me change your diaper. Lay down. I thought he was gonna do it for a second.
It's like he's tired and then like the sugar kicks
I know, like he'll like, and then he'll.
get out of his sugar rush.
What are you doing?
No, you are.
Is that good? Is that good?
We don't steal anyone. Do
That's sad. My kids used to it.
He's like, I'm a star. He's like, I will not lose eye contact with the camera.
sorry. Better not try and stop us.
Judy, don't want. Judy,
Hurry!
you're gonna fall forward.
Brendan.